You have to congrats me, bro. You know why? Earlier, I have 1,000 coins. But now I spend it the dash. I spend the dash, bro. I spend it. This teleport at the speed of thunder towards your character movement. Okay. Now let's see what it do. I know what it do. I'll just end the cooldown is so fast. The cooldown is fast. Okay. The cooldown is so fast that nobody they cannot see me. And the cooldown is so fast, I can use the ability. Bro, I like this ability. So I will see the real. I can spin here. I just have to wait some time. There. There we go. I have time. 5 minutes. Oh yeah, bro. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. If I have coins and I'll go to 1,000 again, I'll freak out. And I'm doing good with this sword because I like the sound. I like the sound of this. I like the sound. Okay, I like the sound. But if I die, I don't like this sound. Okay, I still like this sound. Sometimes. I hate that girl. We're fighting 2v2 later, bruh. And I have to win. If I lose, I will give my ability to her back. And this is expensive. I did not spend Robux. Just money. Oh, not in real money. In real life, okay? Not in real life money. Not real life money, okay? I'm scared and I die. 3 minutes and a half seconds. But this instant sprint. Okay, let me stop. I hate this. I like this. 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 I hate this like I like it. Hate. Oh, this. I hate. Or see that sound? I like that sound. See that sound? I like that sound. I mean, see that sound. Hear that sound. I like disability. Its disability is the cooldown is so fast. And I like cooldown fast. Not if there's us. Let's go. I killed somebody. I think they're clashing. Okay. Is this? Let's go. I win. I get the W. No First Nation. No First Nation. No First Nation. I got the W. Okay, let me stop that. Okay, let me stop. I really need to focus if I want to get the W again. I'm getting good at Blade Ball. That like earlier, I'm so mad in my other videos. I like that. Okay, let's go. 1v1. I'm in the 1v1. I mean, this is not on 1v1. Let's go. I win again. More. I have 1 points. Look at my coins. Look at my coins. 1,000. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wait, can I upgrade my up? I will upgrade. I don't know what's that sound. But I know this. Oh yeah. Let's go. I kill somebody with no hacks. Okay, I'm not hacking in my old account. I'm hacking. Okay, I'm joking. Don't report me. This is a brand new account, okay? I died because of that reachability. Now, this is what I'll say if that's in a way. Die. Ouch. Okay, I got the W. I got the W. I got the W. I got the W. Baby. Got the W. I got the W. I got the W. Oh, I didn't miss that. I got the W. Like that always. Don't give up. Okay. Is my voice cringe? Or is my voice good? Comment below. Pumpkin. I think he's trying to spell pumpkin. But he got it wrong. He said pumpkin. Oh yeah, I like that sound. The song is my favorite. This is my favorite song. I mean song. Third. We always get wrong. I died. Wait. Should I try to get 2,000? Let me try in my next video. I will try to get 2,000. But but I'm not done vlogging. Let's just play. Bro. Blade ball dying. Bro. I will say this in my second video. But I will say it right now. This is my last blade ball video. Bro, I'm telling the truth, okay? I'm not lying. This is my last blade ball video. But I will see this again in my next video. Oh man, I died. That's all. Bye.